In the recent modules, we discussed how to create the redo log files, how to drop those files, and how we can manage to clear the group, redo log groups. So by managing these things, we need to see how exactly and at what in one particular time, how we can see the details by using the metadata. So metadata are the data dictionary views available for the DBA to see with various information about the log files. Instance and database log buffer, significant views, control file informations, log history informations, log of members of groups, log history informations for the use of meta members of groups with the status. So we can say instance and database log buffer. How exactly perform? So if you look at the upper portion, we have a box of log buffer. So this is called instance, and we have a lot of background processes. So one of the major background processes is called log writer. So this particular log writer is start filling the log for the group of group 1 has member M1 and M2. So once these members M1 and M2 are filled up, then the group 2 will start filling up. While the members group 1 are filling up, it was start active members. So active members or active group of members means that the basically data is start filling. So once it is filled up, it become inactive, and other group is called start filling, which is called current group. So when it is a current one, so this means it start filling up. Once it is filled up, and the previous group G1 will come up, it will become inactive, and if we are saving the overwriting data, so it will become inactive and start filling up of the archival data in the archive logs. So filling of one group is in one sequence. So in the cyclic way, these groups filled up one after the other, and their status will be changed from active to current and from current to inactive. So in this particular fashion, we can say how instance and database log buffer are performing the task through the log writer. So what are the major significant views available for us? The one view is called dynamic. These three are the dynamic views, and these dynamic views are basically called v$log, v$log file, and v$log history. You can run command describe and the v$log or v$log file, these views, it will give you columns. From those columns, we can see information. For example, the first view is called displays the redo log file information from the control files, identifies redo log groups and member status, contains log history information. Sometimes DBA forget to remove physically the files from the folder. So for example, v$log data dictionary view is basically giving you those files which are basically available, and their informations are available from the control files. So we can say that if we are not removing one particular file, but from the control files which are basically active available through the control files, we can see through the data dictionary view v$log. So let's suppose we run this one. We can see that here group 1 to up to 4, and we can see sequence number and bytes and members. So archival is yes or no for this particular case, and we can see their date, time, and other history as well. So we can see also the exact time as well for particular case. So this is how we can see the details about which files available, which are archival mode, which are in current mode, which are inactive or active or something. Similarly, we can say select asterisk from v$log. So member of the groups will be performed, and in this particular case, we can say that what informations are available. So select stamp thread number, first change number, and other columns from the v$log history, where row number is less than or equal to 10. The reason is that it is very long history. So initially we want to see few of them, or we can say these things in this particular way, that which are the current one, or we can search with the help of date and time in this particular case which are available. Otherwise, it is very long data. We cannot see all of them, or the browsing is making the server too slow. So we should be very careful by writing the where clause of few lines or few information we want to see. So similarly, in this particular case, again, we manage the use of members with status, and we can see exactly which status is available for inactive and active portion and which are available for the current. Again, we can see $log and $log file join both of these two together, and we can see the details which are the active and which are not active.